Hello friends, welcome you to our channel TrustLogics tutorial. So, in today's video we are going to discuss few online jobs for students which can pay you well and help you set a successful career path if you choose them and you are willing to do the work. These are the top 10 online jobs for students which can turn your career or a business from home into a successful path. Nowadays, due to this COVID situation, finding a job you can do online will give you great flexibility. So, number one is online tutor. If you are doing well in college, it is easy to think everyone else is too. But the truth is that many people struggle with passing their courses. You could make a living by helping them out and teaching them what you know. But don't stop with fellow college students. You can also teach kids from elementary school to high school. There are plenty of kids who could use your help. Thankfully, with the internet, you don't have to be limited to your local geographic area. You can teach kids and people all over the world. And the average salary is, according to $13 to $20 per hour. And you can find these work on many websites like Tutor.com, Visent, etc. So now moving to our next. Number 2 is Search Engine Evaluator. Search Engine Evaluator. Search engine like Google and Bing rely on the user feedback to update their algorithm in the ways that serve people better. Now you could be one of the people who fills out the feedback forms and let them know what they need to do in order to improve. And the average US salary for search engine evaluator is $12 to $15 per hour. And you can find this job at various sites like LeapForce and Lionbridge. If you want to do internship in this field, then you can go to Internshala or many internship sites and you can get internship and can get a good stipend also for this. So now let's move to next. So number 3 is social media manager. We all spend a lot of time on social media every day. Your Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and the list goes on. If you are used to getting a lot of likes or comments, or if you are great at motivating others through your posts, you might want to consider turning this into a profession. Social media managers build communities for companies on social media, engage these communities in conversation, and encourage them to take some sort of action like reading a blog post, signing up to an email list, or buying a product. Now, social media managers also play a vital role in building brand awareness for a company. And the average US salary is $62,000 per year for employees. And according to Indeed, if you are a freelancer, it depends on your marketing and negotiation skill. So next is Freelance Writer. Social media managers promote content that build relationship and promote sales for companies. Freelance writers write the content. There's a huge need for writers now, as more and more companies want to build long-term trust with their target audiences, and they do that by providing top quality content. Great freelance writers stay up to date on marketing trends and research and know which content types work best when. They are not only skilled at conveying complicated ideas, but they know how to do it in a way that best converts in a particular content format. Well-fed freelance writers stay out of content farms and bidding sites, where you compete with hundreds of other writers for the same projects and get the gig if you underquote yourself enough. To be a well-fed freelance writer, you need to go out there and market yourself to your target audience, usually marketing managers like any other business owners. The average US salary for it is $61,000 per year. So now next is 5 number resume writer. Writing resumes may seem simple, but most people often find it hard to talk themselves up. If you have had success getting a lot of interest from great companies based on your resume, offer your services to others. You can help them ensure their resumes shine a light on their accomplishment and the value they have to provide companies in a way that speaks to recruiters. Similarly, you can offer LinkedIn profile writing services, as many recruiters look for potential employees on this professional social network. And the average US salary is $15 to $25 per hour. So you can find resume writing work on Resume Edge. So now moving to next. Next is Freelance Web Designer. Like freelance writers, freelance web designers need to market their services if they want to make a sustainable living. Websites that supposedly do the marketing work for you often come up with a high price, as you will be expected to work for very cheap and might end up losing money on the deals you take on. To stand out of the crowd when they market themselves directly to prospective customers, freelance web designers need to prove more than their ability to design beautiful websites. While companies care about image, they often care about results. Therefore, well-paid freelance web designers are often the ones who understands what works in user experience and CRO. So average US salary for this is $61,000 per year. So thank you and have a nice day. If you're new to my channel, just go and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for regular updates.